Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to replace the rear camera frame and the camera glass. Enjoy the video. Just heat up the back panel at around 210 degrees for around 2 to 3 minutes. Just be carefully, don't burn your hand or something. So here you use one suction cup and try to make a gap between the back panel and the frame, and then you use the help of a plastic card which you insert between this gap, so you can like insert it between the glue. Once it's inserted, you just go around and try to slowly lift the back glass panel. So now you have to reheat the camera frame and remove it. You will also have to remove the sticker in the camera frame and then just put it in the new frame. Use a plastic tool and slowly lift the camera frame. Don't break the glass. I'm heating up the camera frame to remove this adhesive glue, and I will put it in a new frame. So as you see, this frame didn't come with an adhesive glue, so I just used some liquid glue to stick it inside the back panel. This is the E7000 and it's pretty neat, pretty okay. I use it a lot for repairing, so you can try it out. But you have to work fast as it's drying very fast. I'm just cleaning here the camera. There is a small piece of glass inside, and I will remove the dust. As you see, I did remove the back panel still with the glue on it, so I'm just using the same glue and cover the phone like it was again. So don't forget, it's not waterproof anymore. That's it. So now we just stick the camera glass, the glass lens on the top, and then we are finished. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, you can comment below. I will try to answer them. And if you want to donate, there is a link in my video description. Thank you very much. See you soon.